Okay, awesome. You made it to step 3, the prompt. What are we going to write about today? So let me read you the prompt. What are you good at? It can be a sport you play, a talent you have, something school related, or whatever you think is something you will do well. Be sure to include every detail you can. Think of about that topic. So, as you write today, you are going to choose something that you are good at. So, this is my example right over here. You are going to do this as step 4. Create your web map, filling in 4 key details. So, something that I'm really good at was softball. So, I did that as a kid and I did that all the way through college. So, my 4 key details is hitting was something that I was really good at because I could hit home runs, doubles, singles. So I put all that detail in my first bubble right here for my detail 1. Detail 2, I put field position. So fielding ground balls, and I had to have a good throwing arm so I could throw really hard and fast. My third key detail is a team player. I was able to cheer for my team and I was hardworking. Detail 4, base running. I wasn't very fast, so I had to be smart on the bases. So I had to think differently because I wasn't as fast as the other kiddos. So now on step 4, you are going to do the same thing. You're going to choose something that you're good at. Remember, it can be a sport. It could be something that you're talented at, like playing the piano, playing the violin, or dancing. You could be really good at dancing. It could also be school related. So if you're really good at writing, then you can say, I'm really good at writing. If you're really good at drawing, please tell me and express yourself. I really want to get to know each one of you better, and this is going to help me. So thank you for making it step 3. Good luck on step 4. I'll check back in.